I'm glad you're interested in the mq9 Reaper drone, one of the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicles in the world. In this video, I will give you an analysis and review of this drone, its features, capabilities, and applications. I will also show you some images and videos of the mq9 in action. Let's get started. The mq9 Reaper is a remotely piloted aircraft system developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GA-ASI, primarily for the United States Air Force, USAF. It is also used by other countries and agencies, such as the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, the Italian Air Force, and the Royal Air Force. The mq9 is a larger, heavier, and more capable aircraft than the earlier mq1 Predator, which it replaced in 2007. The mq9 can fly at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet, 15,000 meters, and has a maximum speed of 300 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour. It can carry a payload of up to 3,800 pounds, 1,700 kilograms, which includes various weapons and sensors. The mq9 has a wingspan of 66 feet, 20 meters, and a length of 36 feet, 11 meters. It has a turboprop engine that provides 950 shaft horsepower, 710 kilowatts. The mq9 is designed to perform strike, coordination, and reconnaissance missions against high-value, fleeting, and time-sensitive targets. It can also provide close air support, combat search and rescue, precision strike, convoy, and raid overwatch, route clearance, target development, and terminal air guidance. The mq9 has a sophisticated suite of visual sensors for targeting called the Multispectral Targeting System, MTSP. This system integrates an infrared sensor, a color and monochrome daylight TV camera, a shortwave infrared camera, a laser designator, and a laser illuminator. The mq9 can also employ a synthetic aperture radar for all-weather surveillance and target identification. The mq9 can carry up to 8 laser-guided missiles, called the AGM-114 Hellfire. These missiles have highly accurate, low collateral damage, anti-armor, and anti-personnel capabilities. The mq9 can also carry 2 laser-guided bombs, called the GBU-12 Paveway 2. These bombs have a 500-pound, 227-kilogram warhead that can destroy hardened targets. The mq9 can also carry 4 GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAM, which are GPS-guided bombs with a 500-pound warhead. The mq9 can also carry 2 GBU-49 Enhanced Paveway 2 bombs, which are dual-mode GPS laser-guided bombs with a 500-pound warhead. The mq9 is operated by a 2-person team consisting of a pilot and a sensor operator. The pilot controls the aircraft and commands the mission from a ground control station, GCS, while the sensor operator operates the sensors and guides the weapons from another GCS. The GCSs are connected to the aircraft via satellite links that provide real-time video and data feeds. The GCSs can also communicate with other assets in the area of operations, such as other aircraft, ground forces, or command centers. The mq9 can be controlled by different GCSs, depending on the mission requirements and availability. The mq9 has proven to be an effective and reliable platform for various operations around the world. It has been deployed in Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, Libya, Yemen, Somalia, Niger, Mali, Pakistan, and other countries. It has conducted hundreds of strikes against terrorist groups such as Al-Qaeda, ISIS, Taliban, Al-Shabaab, Boko Haram, and others. It has also supported humanitarian missions, such as disaster relief and search and rescue. The mq9 has received several upgrades over the years to improve its performance in high-end combat situations. Some of these upgrades include improved sensors, weapons, communication systems, software enhancements, self-protection systems, and extended range capabilities. The mq9 Reaper is a remotely piloted aircraft, RPA, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Air Force. It is designed for long-endurance, high-altitude surveillance, and strike missions against time-sensitive targets. The Reaper can carry a variety of weapons and sensors, including Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, and synthetic aperture radar. The Reaper has a maximum speed of 300 mph, a range of 150 miles, and an endurance of over 27 hours. The Reaper is one of the most advanced and widely used armed drones in the world, but it is not the only one. Several other countries have developed or acquired their own drones with similar or different capabilities. Some of the most notable examples are China. China is a major exporter of armored drones, especially to countries that cannot buy them from the US due to export restrictions or political reasons. China's main drone models are the Winglong and the Rainbow series, which are cheaper and less sophisticated than the Reaper, but still effective in combat. The Winglong 2, for instance, can carry up to 12 missiles or bombs and has a range of 2,500 miles. China has sold or donated its drones to countries such as Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, Nigeria, Algeria, Morocco, Ethiopia, and Serbia. Turkey. Turkey has emerged as a leading drone power in recent years, thanks to its indigenous development of the Bayraktar TB2 drone. The TB2 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, male drone that can carry up to 4 laser-guided missiles and has a range of 900 miles. The TB2 has proven its effectiveness in several conflicts, such as Syria, Libya, Nagorno-Karabakh, and Iraq, where it has destroyed hundreds of enemy vehicles, air defenses, and personnel. Turkey has also exported its drones to countries such as Qatar, Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Morocco, and Poland. Iran. Iran has a large and diverse drone fleet that includes both indigenous and reverse-engineered models. Iran's most advanced drone is the Mohajer 6, which is a male drone that can carry up to 4 guided missiles and has a range of 600 miles. Iran has used its drones for reconnaissance and strike missions to fight ISIS in Syria, Iraq. In conclusion, the mq9 Reaper is a formidable drone that gives the US a significant advantage in intelligence and firepower over its adversaries. However, it is not the only drone in the sky, as other countries have developed or acquired their own drones with varying degrees of capabilities and costs. As drone technology becomes more accessible and affordable, the competition and conflict among drone users will likely increase in the future. The mq9 is expected to remain in service until at least 2035. However, it is also facing some challenges and limitations in the evolving threat environment. Some of these challenges include increased air defenses from adversaries such as Russia and China, increased jamming and cyber attacks on its communications links, increased competition from other UAVs such as China's CH-4 Rainbow or Turkey's Bayraktar TB2, increased ethical and legal concerns over its use in warfare, increased public scrutiny over its impact on civilian casualties, and increased maintenance costs due to its aging components. In conclusion, the mq9 Reaper is a remarkable drone that has revolutionized warfare in the 21st century. It has provided unprecedented capabilities for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, as well as precision strike against various targets around the world. It has also saved the lives of many pilots and soldiers by taking on dangerous missions that would otherwise put them at risk. However, the mq9 is not without its flaws and challenges, and it will need to adapt and evolve to remain relevant and effective in the future. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more scientific videos. See you next time!